And we're back with BMB with AI now at the HARO Media Responder. Well, what the heck is that? You know, if you are a professional speaker, it's a good idea to get featured in the media, and hopefully that is a favorable mention. What you've noticed through some of these syndication sites is that if you wanted to pitch your expertise to a reporter, there are tools like HARO, which is help a reporter out, and also Peter Shankman's new one, Source of Sources. So whenever you get that email that has that has, let's say, the different 15 pitches that these journalists are looking for subject matter experts, what you typically do is you respond to that request by an email that you submit to them. Well, we know that that can take a ton of time, especially if we're trying to think through every angle, and then we also want to use a template that conforms to the best practices for what journalists are looking for. So if you just paste the HARO content in here, this is what it looks like: business and finance, expert needed for a retirement planning story. We need a retirement planning story, and so on. So copy what you see from the email, paste it in here, and then it'll give you exactly what you need when drafting that email to pitch to the next reporter.